Good morning. I thought I would do a little winter on the allotment vlog. It's a really grey day. I did go for a walk earlier, but there was nothing much about, so I thought I'll see what's up the allotment. So literally I've just arrived and the green woodpecker is in the field next to my plot. This field belongs to, oh here we go, there's a sheep. This field belongs to a school farm. Oh, glad I bought the camera, and there we go. So, I'm not in a very good position, but literally just arrived and he was there. He, she, don't know. Sorry, I'm not keeping it very still, my hands are frozen. So, even if I don't get anything else on the allotment, got a green woodpecker and a sheep. Probably a pregnant ewe, I would think. See, he's flown up into a tree in the distance there, so I'm just going to wait to see if he comes back down. I think there's two. I think there's another one back where I originally saw one. Okay, so I've got them both. See, I've got two.